Ready to transform your Wix website from basic to breathtaking? Let's start with color palettes. Head to the Wix editor and choose a color scheme that reflects your brand's personality. Think soft pastels for a gentle vibe or bold jewel tones for a vibrant feel. Remember, consistency is key. Use these colors throughout your site to create a cohesive look. Now, let's talk typography. Select no more than 2 fonts, one for headings and one for body text, ensuring they complement each other and are easy to read. A script font paired with a simple sans serif can add a touch of elegance. Images are crucial, so opt for high-resolution photos and graphics that align with your brand's aesthetic. White space is your friend. Embrace it to create a clean and uncluttered design. Proper spacing around elements will make your site feel more professional and balanced. Experiment with different layouts. Grids, asymmetrical designs, and full-width sections can add visual interest. Finally, consider subtle animations or transitions to add a touch of interactivity without overwhelming your visitors. By focusing on these elements, color, typography, imagery, layout, and subtle animations, you can elevate your Wix website to a stunning online presence that truly captures your brand's essence.